Hi everyone, welcome to DSLB Artstone, where quality and variety meet. Today we'll take you on an exclusive tour of our stones warehouse, your ultimate destination for premium materials. Our warehouse is stocked with a wide range of natural stones, engineered stones, and sintered slabs, carefully sourced from around the globe to meet your needs. From the timeless elegance of marble, to the durability of granite and the modern versatility of sintered slabs, we offer a collection that caters to every style and project. Whether you're working on a residential project, commercial build, or looking for custom stone solutions, we've got you covered. Our dedicated sections make it easy to find the perfect material for any application. Behind every stone lies meticulous quality control and expert craftsmanship. Our team ensures every piece meets the highest standards of durability and design. Need guidance? Our knowledgeable team is here to help you choose the perfect stone, offering expert advice and personalized service every step of the way. Visit us today and explore the largest selection of premium stones under one roof. Located at Artstone Silang, or contact us here at our Facebook page, your trusted partner of stones. Come and visit us today. At DSLB Artstone, we bring your vision to life, one stone at a time.